Question. When were the first luge competitions held? In 1883, the first lugers descended a mountain on sleds. The race course was a road in the Swiss Alps, and the race was won by a postal worker. At that time, this sport was still called speed sledding. Question. How old was the youngest swimmer to cross the English Channel? Thomas Gregory was 11 years old when he swam the 34-kilometer stretch of the English Channel, which separates France from England, for the first time. The boy swam for 11 hours and 45 minutes, taking nearly half the time of the first swimmer to conquer this distance. Thomas Gregory began swimming at the age of 7. Question. What is the record time for a swim across the English Channel? In August 2007, 30-year-old Bulgarian swimmer Petr Stoichev set a world record in a swim across the English Channel. He swam from Dover to Calais in just 6 hours and 58 minutes. Question. Who was the first to swim across the strait between the islands of Sicily and Malta? Maltese resident Nikki Farrugia swam for over 30 hours, becoming the first person to cover the 87-kilometer distance between the islands of Malta and Sicily. The record holder swam inside a metal cage, which was towed by a motorboat, to prevent sharks from prematurely ending his swim. Question. Who set the coldest swimming record? The water temperature was only 7 degrees Celsius when American Lynn entered the sea off Alaska, intending to swim across the Bering Strait. Siberia was 4 kilometers away. Naturally, the 31-year-old swimmer wore a special thermal insulated suit and had specialized equipment. An unprotected swimmer would have frozen within minutes. Lynn completed the strait in 2 hours and 6 minutes. Question. Who has swum the same lake the most times? Swiss swimmer Jacob Fassler set a unique world record. He loves swimming across Lake Hall-Will at its widest point, which is 1.5 kilometers. The year 1986 was record-breaking for the swimmer, who prefers the breaststroke. Between May and October, he crossed the lake 400 times.
Friends and guests of my channel, thank you for watching.